Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to send Kajabi email sequences at different times of the day. This is incredibly useful when you want to reach your audience at optimal moments throughout their day, whether that's morning motivation emails or evening check-ins, giving you more control over when your subscribers receive your content. First, you'll want to open your browser and head to your Kajabi login page. Sign in with your credentials to access your dashboard. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand menu where you'll find the marketing option. Click on it and you'll see an expanded menu appear with several choices. From these options, select Email Campaigns. This is where all your email marketing magic happens within Kajabi. You'll now see a list of all the email campaigns currently in your Kajabi account. Look toward the top right of your screen and click on the New Email Campaign button. A pop-up menu will appear asking you to choose between an email broadcast or an email sequence. For our purposes, select the email sequence option, as this allows you to send multiple emails over time at different intervals. Enter a title for your email sequence, then click Continue to move forward. Next, you'll be presented with several templates to choose from. Scroll down to view the various selections Kajabi offers, each designed to fit different campaign styles and goals. Once you've found one that suits your needs, click on it. A template overview page will appear where you can review the content and layout. Once you've decided this is the right fit, click Get Started. You'll be prompted to enter a title for this specific email, so type that in and click Create. You'll now be directed to the email sequence editor. This is where the timing control comes into play. Choose a day and time for your email to be sent. This flexibility is what allows you to schedule emails at different times throughout the day based on when your audience is most engaged. Add your subject line, review the content, and customize it to fit your brand. Once you're satisfied with everything, click Save. After the email is saved, look at the top part of your screen and click on the email sequence title. This will direct you back to your email sequence menu. From here, you can add your second email by clicking the Add New Email button in the top right corner. Simply repeat the same process you used to create the first email, but this time set a different day and time for delivery. This is how you create variation in your sequence timing. You can continue adding more emails to your sequence depending on your target outreach goals, each with its own unique send time. This gives you complete control over the pacing and timing of your communication with subscribers. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.